your fabric, it's important to make sure which side the pins are up. This is the wrong way. This is the right way. Doing so will help prevent puckering, and you'll be able to control the fabric better. Near the start of your threads, you can place a tearaway interfacing just underneath. I used a coffee filter here. I hold the threads so they don't get sucked underneath. Carefully pull out the pin. Stop the machine, sew backwards to secure, and sew forward. I never put my finger underneath the presser foot, but just in front. And I stop the machine fully before continuing to sew. As you can see, I stop right before each pin. If I sew over the pin, it could make me need to bring my machine into the shop. For the seam allowance, I'm using the little white guide on the presser foot and that distance in between the needle. I kind of memorize where the 1/4 inch mark is from the needle to the right side of the presser foot. Now as I turn the fabric, I make sure the machine is stopped, and then I lift up the presser foot first. You can also leave the needle in the down position by default to have a nice curved line. Now my fingers are just guiding the fabric. I'm not pushing it underneath. If I'm ever having a hard time getting the fabric to go through, I would rather have the needle in the up position and then pull the fabric from the back rather than pushing from the front to get it to go over a difficult seam. Backstitch again at the end. And trim threads. That's it.